Rahim, Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are all fine. I am your maths teacher, and this is your maths class. Now take out your maths book. Let's start month of August. In first week of August, students, you will learn about place value of 3 digits numbers, backward counting, numbers names. Now, place value of 3 digits number. So students, here you can see an example of 3 digits number. Now, as you can see, this is an abacus and shows 3 digits numbers in hundreds, tens and ones rods. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 hundreds are given. So how we read a given number? 700, 5 tens and 4 ones. And it is equal to 754. And same is done in another example. You can see there are none ones and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hundreds are given. So how we read it? Yes, 600, 4 tens. It is equal to 640. Now open page number 11 and do exercise 4. Hundreds, tens and ones. Right number does each abacus show? Write in box. So, as you can see, one example is already done for you. Count the beads shown in abacus and then write down the number in given box like 500, 2 tens and 7 ones. That is equal to 527. Hope you understand the place value of 3 digits number. Now complete all the parts given in exercise. So here you learn how to draw beads on abacus. Okay, so the example is given for you. That's 100, 2 tens and 3 ones. Let's draw beads on abacus. 3 on ones, 2 on tens and 100. So it will be 123. In another example, the number is given 364. Let's draw the beads on abacus. 4 on ones, 6 on tens and 3 on hundreds. And it becomes 300, 6 tens, 4 ones, 364. Now students, open page number 11 and do exercise 5. Draw beads on the abacus to show these numbers. As you learn how to draw beads, by the help of given in box, complete the exercise in your book. Now do backward counting on page number 12. Hope you remember backward counting from 50 to 30. Now start backward counting and complete this exercise in your book. So students, this backward counting exercise is done for you. Help here. Okay, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, then 30. Okay. Now It's time to recall the backward counting. Now students, learn backward counting from 100 to 1 and do in your math copy. Do your work neat and clean. Now let's start number names. As you can see, the example are given here: 567, 567. Write the number name: 567, FIVE, 567. Now 632. Write the number name of 632: SIX, 6, HUNDRED, 100, and 32, THIRTY, 30, TWO2. Now next 924. 9, now write the spelling of 9, then 124. 924. Now do exercise 6 on page number 13. What is my name? Their big numbers have forgotten their names. Help them by using their name in the box. 342, that will be named as 342. This one example is done for your help. Now complete the remaining parts in box. Now open page number 14. Numbers and number name: 247, 850, 985. Now write the number names: 247, 850, 985. Now do exercise 7 on page number 14. Numbers and number name. Write the number name: 640. 640. Now write the number name. Now write the number name. One has been done for your help. Complete all the part of this exercise in your book. Read the number, then write its name a given box. Now write the number. Now here students, you can see numbers name are given and you have to write a number only. For example, 924. So how will you write this? Yes, it will be 924. 924. Same is done in another example. 172. It will be 172. 172. Now open page number 14 and do exercise 8. Now write the number. Hope you understand how to write the number by the help of given name. So students, complete all the given parts of this exercise in your book. Okay, so let's wind up of our first week of August. We will meet you soon, inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.